So if Safari can't open the page and stops working, it says Safari can't open the page, then here is how to fix it on Mac. Now, the very first fix is just click on this Apple icon and then click on System Settings. And now click on Network. And now click on these three dots, Locations, and then click on Edit Locations. Now click on the plus sign, name it Work or Home, whatever you want. Click on Done. Just enter your password if it asked. And now choose the newly created location. And now reopen Safari and see if it works or not. If it doesn't work, let's move to method 2. And that is just in the network section here, you can see other services. Just delete those services, whatever you find here, and then try to open the web page again in Safari. If this also does not work, then just go to Privacy and Security and click on Full Disk Access. And if you can't find Safari here, in my case it is here, just click on plus sign, use the password, and now click on Applications from the left and search Safari. Okay, in my case it is added. Just add Safari. In my case it is added, so Safari is not showing here. Otherwise, just add that particular application Safari and click on Open. And now it will be added like this, and turn it on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.